Let's go. Welcome back to Shells and Flavor Cooking. Here I am showing you guys, I cleaned some red snappers that I purchased at the store. I will be cooking some curried fish in coconut milk. So I'm showing you how I remove all the bones from the outside and how I clean the inside before washing and seasoning my fishes. Here are most of the seasonings that I will be using. Some herbs, spices mixed with some ginger powder. Yes, I use some ginger. Once I season with the dried herbs and spices, then I will add a little curry. I will be rubbing a little curry on the fishes. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, please remember to give your girl a like. Please hit that subscribe button and set your notification bell. Thank you. Here are my fishes that I seasoned and I will cover for a few minutes. I'll be using some okra, some carrots, some pumpkins, the regular green seasonings, a little bami, some corn in it, and my coconut milk. Here I am burning a little curry in some olive oil, not a lot, just to saute my herbs, my onions, my bell peppers. Once this is all done, then I added my carrots, my pumpkin, then I added some oregano. I used some Mrs. Dash herb and spices. I use another original Mrs. Dash, and I use a garlic herb Mrs. Dash. Then I added my corn because all these will take a little while to cook before the fish. I added a little piece of unsalted butter in it. Then I added my fishes. That part of the video apparently got cut out for some reason. I added my fish. Then once the fishes started to cook, then I added my bami lastly. This was my Sunday dinner. I did not feel for the regular Sunday dinner, so this is what I made for my family on Sunday. There it is. I'm allowing it to cool down. I also did some of the bami. I fried it. I did not add everything in the curried fish. I fried some on the side. Your girl, let me tell you, this was lit. This was on fire. This tasted like really, really good. Only veggies and the fish, and here is a dished plate of this. Thank you for coming to my channel. I do hope that you'll remember to like this video, give your girl a like, drop a comment, feel free to share my videos. Follow me also on Facebook, TikTok, and also on Instagram. Thank you again for coming to Shells Island Flavor Cooking. Stay tuned, short video. See you soon in another video. Thank you for your support. This curried fish in coconut milk can also be eaten with rice. It doesn't have to be with all them veggies. Thank you again for watching, for your support.